Hey planties, welcome back to my channel, Houseplant Pixie from the Happy Plant Palace. For everyone that's new, welcome, and my name is Monique. For my existing subscribers, welcome back to a new episode. And let's get straight into it. Raphidophora cryptantha. I got this beauty as a cutting a while back when I bought a plant. I got it for free, so thank you very much. And sure, it's got some nice roots. And we're going to pot it up. Same as the Monstera dubia and the Raphidophora high. I've got a piece of balsa wood. I think this is the original small piece of wood from my dubia. If you have seen my dubia, it's it's outgrown the bigger board I mounted it on. All videos I can link in the description box below, have a look. You might like those videos. I'm so stoked how amazing this plant came along. The dog is excited too. Ooh, yeah. So I already prepped some of my nice well-draining potting mixture. And because the roots are fairly small, I'm just gonna use it's just a chopstick to make like a little hole and put the plant in, or the roots. And then with the balsa wood, previously I taped the balsa wood on the pot. I won't do it this time because I think it would be alright just having the nursery pot in a decorative pot, and we put a bit of balsa wood behind it. I don't like to put the balsa wood too deep in the pot, because if the water drains into the pot and the balsa wood sits in the water, it could get a little bit moldy. So make sure that if you do mount your balsa wood on the pot, that you mount it a bit higher than the pot. Just like a little tip on the side. And yeah, let's do it. Raphidophora cryptantha care. They love humidity. This guy was sitting in moss, and I actually did have the lid on it, and I had this little tray on a heat pad. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes now. I won't be sitting it on the heat pad anymore, but it still be getting about 70% humidity. I got like one of my rooms, it's like a plant room, and 70% humidity. Got a humidifier in there, which has like a humidity stat, so it kicks in once the humidity drops below, and which is pretty handy. Get yourself a good humidifier, it's very handy. But yeah, they say with the dubia and the Raphidophora high, they need high humidity. In my bedroom, there is just normal. Actually, be interesting to know. I'll put my hygrometer in there, but I think it's not very humid in my bedroom, and the dubia is just taken off, as well as the Raphidophora high. So I might even put this little guy next to them, so you know what's going on. Yeah, I think as long as you provide enough light, good, well draining soil mixture, you should be right. And don't overwater. No plant likes to get overwatered. I'll definitely give you an update how it's going. So it's all potted up, and you can either leave it as it is, but I prefer to guide it very close to the board, so I'm going to use this tree tie. I'm just going to tie her on the board. Just and that's all done. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, and I'll see you next time with a new episode of my plants. Stay planty, bye!